Hi guys, welcome to Website Wednesdays. This week's topic is all about how to store your opt-in freebie on your Squarespace website. So what I am referring to, and in this example, I will use, say, an ebook. So for example, you've got a newsletter subscriber on your website and you've got a freebie giveaway to entice people to subscribe to your newsletter. So your freebie giveaway in this scenario is an ebook in the form of a PDF. So you can actually store this PDF ebook on your Squarespace website in your back end and create a link that you can use to direct people to download this PDF ebook directly from your website. So you may already be aware that you can create links in your Squarespace website. And typically, the links that you can create on your website can lead to an external website URL, a page within your website, an email or a phone number that, when clicked, calls the person if you're on your mobile device. And then you can also incorporate a file that people can download from your website. So you might include this link by either a piece of text that you've created a link within, or an image when clicked that the link then works, or a button. So those are the typical ways that you'd be adding a link to your website. So the great thing that you can do with this is, if you've saved your ebook on your website, when your customers do subscribe to your newsletter and you have an automated response set up to send to them once they've hit the subscribe and double opted in, then the automation then sends to them, and your email might be like, welcome to the newsletter, thanks for subscribing, this is what we do here, blah, 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 and here's your freebie. Click here to download. And when the customer clicks that to download, it will open up their web browser and it will open up that PDF download straight away in that web browser so that they can download it. Simple. So what I'm going to do now is share my screen with you guys so I can show you how you can actually upload files to your Squarespace website and get that link to put in. So I'm just going to share my screen now. And I'm using my my personal Joanne Tripodi Creative website as the example. So you're in your Squarespace profile, you click into Pages, and now I've created a page in the Not Linked section, so this is not showing up visibly to my web users at the moment. So whenever you're creating a test page, always have it in the Not Linked section. So I've just created this new page called New Page because it's not going to be around for long. And then if we go onto the page, I've created a little text block here. So we're going to edit the page. So I've just got a text block and I've just put in my dummy text as upload document here. I'm going to select that text and now my text editor pops up. I'm going to click the little link icon and now I'm going to click the little settings, which opens up my link editor pop-up. So here you can see it gives you the option to add a web address, click through to a page on your site, email, phone, and we want to add the file. So we'll click on File. Now we're going to upload a file. So it takes me to my desktop as my default, and I've just put in my little brand consulting PDF that I'm going to upload as an example. So I've just uploaded that. So now that means that it's been uploaded to my website backend. It's here. The more documents you upload, the more you'll see show up in this section here. So if you needed to relink something that you uploaded, you don't need to upload it again. All you need to do is upload it once, and then you can select it from your uploads list here. If you need to delete anything, you can just select those three little buttons there. You can delete or rename the file as required. But in order to select it to work with our link, I have to click it so that it's ticked there. And then I'm also going to select Open in New Window. So now that I've done that, I can click Save. I can see the URL is appearing here. I can click apply. And now that's applied that link to this little bit of text. So I've got the rollover going on. I've got my link color and underline. So now I'm going to save that. So when I save that, that means my editing is done. And that means I can now actually physically click this link so that it will open up in that new window with the download. So let's click that. So now, as predicted, it's popped up in that new window. This is the PDF that I uploaded. It's only 1 page long. Depending on what browser you're using, this is Chrome, you can click download from the little thing there. If you're using Safari, the download usually pops up over here towards the bottom of the page. But anyway, what I want to do is actually select my unique URL for this download. So if I click my little cursor in here, you can see it's highlighted this URL that's got random letters and numbers, and this is the unique URL to your PDF download on your site. So I'm just going to copy this with my keyboard, so Command copy, and I can delete this page now because this document has been uploaded. It's in the back end of my site. I've now copied that URL. And what I want to do is, once you've copied that unique URL, you can save that, save it in a Word doc or somewhere that you can at least reference it so that you can use it for later. So that link will be the link that you then want to put into your auto response to get the customers or the clients that are subscribing to click onto, which will then open exactly how we saw it work there before. So this is a great way that you can actually store your opt-ins on your website, and people can click through to it. But of course, if you're storing files on your website, you can use them for other reasons within your website if you wanted people to download things specifically from buttons on your pages or whatnot. Well, thanks for joining me for this week's Website Wednesdays. I have also started a YouTube channel that I'm adding these videos to. So it's still predominantly an IGTV thing, but the videos are also being added to my YouTube channel, and in turn, they're also being added to my blog on my website. So you can catch Website Wednesdays on IGTV, on YouTube, or straight from my Jones Pody Creative website in the blog. Well, keep those questions coming, guys. As usual, write a comment, send me an Instagram DM. On Instagram, I'll pop up the little questionnaires, Insta story. And until next time, I will catch you on Website Wednesdays. Bye.